Oh no, I think I got it upside down. Yep, I do. Already a fail. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, J Ross, back with another video. So, as you guys can tell by the title down below, I'm going to be swatching Joah Beauty lipsticks that I won in a giveaway. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I was one of the winners for their Color Squad, a full-fledged collection that comes with a boom box. And when I got home from work today, like I literally got home like maybe 20 minutes ago, I quickly put on a quick face for you guys so I didn't look just like, you know, barefaced, raggedy out here. You know, I gotta make it look cute. If I'm doing swatches, I gotta be cute out here. This isn't my first time trying a Joah product. I've actually tried Joah maybe a year or two ago when I did my fall unboxing or my fall haul, which actually may have been 2 years ago because I don't think I did a fall haul last year. But I did a whole look and inspired by like just drugstore beauty stuff that I picked up from CVS. And this Joah is usually found at CVS. Not all CVS's, select CVS stores, but if you want to check them out, you can also check them out on joahbeauty.com. I will leave that link down below. My favorite lip from them is I'm Your Jelly Bae. This is in the shade Sweet Cheeks. This is a matte lipstick, and this is matte. So make sure your lips are refreshed, hydrated, not crusty. And if you want to, it fits amazing over, like under a gloss. Like I love this color so much. Like this is like the perfect nude. So you guys have definitely seen me wear this before. I may have not pointed out that it is Joah, but I've had this for a minute, and that actually might be my second one. As I'm unboxing this, shout out to Joah. I think I won like yesterday, and this is already here today. Like seriously, no lie. I think they told me I won yesterday. I sent them my email and everything and my address and all that stuff, and they sent me a link. It's like, your package will be delivered by tomorrow, and I'm like, you're right. So I won Friday, and today's Saturday. That's what I'm talking about. Give me my stuff. Way to go, Jay. All right, this is what the front of the box looks like. And here we are. I don't think me holding it up. Wait, okay. You see why I can't hold it up? So long story short about these, from this little cute cassette tape. If you know cassette tapes, then you a real one. You know, I might have just showed my age right there by saying what, like cassette tape, but you a real one. So it says, hello gorgeous, turn up the color with Color Squad cream lipsticks. So there you guys go. It's a cream lipstick. Join the squad and up your smooch factor. Experience the richest, creamiest lipstick around. Every squad has a different personality that makes it their own. Who's in your squad? It says ultra nourishing, argan oil infused, highly pigmented, and all day comfort. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the swatches, and then of course you guys will see me with my favorite at the end. For those of you who are new to my channel and don't know how I do my swatches, I am going to line on one side of my lip with my NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso, and then the other side will be unlined, so you guys can get an impression of what it would look like lined and unlined.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
That was all 20 shades from the Color Squats collection. Like I said, Joah is available at select CVS, so if you can find it in your stores, please go check them out. Do I have any thoughts on these? They are super soft and creamy. Some of them look like the same shade to me, different undertones, but on my lips they look very much the same. Some of them I wasn't expecting them to have some of like the sheen to it, but they're kind of like a soft tinted lip balm. Like that's how soft and creamy these remind me of. Like it's like the pigmentation is there, you just have to build it up. But if you were going for like the one swipe full pigmentation, this is not it, but you will get pigmentation once you build it up. Yeah, let me know if you guys have ever heard of the brand before. Let me know if you guys have ever checked out any of the products before. Let me know if you will now be checking out the Color Squad if you can find it in your local CVS. I hope you guys enjoyed all these swatches. Let me know in the comments down below which one did you like on my lips, or which one would you pick up for yourself. This was definitely a blessing, so thank you once again for Joah for the opportunity to win this in a giveaway. The speaker sounds absolutely amazing. I was jamming over here while doing these swatches. If you guys want to see what my favorites were, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram and you guys will see that. I'll probably do an IGTV video for it, so you guys can definitely check out which ones were my favorite.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
None of this is sponsored. They didn't ask me to do this. I felt in my heart that I wanted to do it. Even though these are a year old, like these have been out for a year, I still thought it was pretty cool to do a lip swatch video, especially on a person of my complexion, and I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in my next one. I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. By the way, for those of you who stuck around, I am wearing the shade Bestie. See you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Peace.